And the winner of Best Current Affairs Programme is the Iris Robinson investigation.
This particular investigation received a tremendous reception, but at its heart it was simply old-fashioned investigative journalism. The investigation went back 6 months and involved virtually the entire Spotlight team. Beside me we've got Mary McKegney, the producer, and behind me was senior editorial staff Gwyneth Jones and Jeremy Adams. Others who aren't here tonight have to be thanked: Imelda Lynch, Bill Brown, Gordon McCullough. A word too for our very own whistleblower, Selwyn Black, whose story when it came to us first was almost too fantastic to believe, which is why it took 6 months for us to pin it down. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much, and to the Academy, Gurumila Maigad.
Ladies and gentlemen, I know that the producer of this programme is at this moment panicking, thinking, who's this guy and how long is he going to talk for? So I'll be as quick as I possibly can. I'm Jeremy Adams, I'm the editor of the programme. I want to say that I'm very proud of Darragh and the team, but I also want to say something else. I want to say thank you to IFTA. It takes courage, despite what people might imagine, for an organisation, a media organisation, to put out a programme like Spotlight or a Spotlight on the Robinsons. Many people have dismissed the programme as a prurient programme, a programme about cougars, the Lockkeepers Inn, Cauldron of Sin. In actual fact, it was a programme about financial impropriety and the abuse of power. It took courage to put it out. I appreciate IFTA recognising this programme tonight. Thank you all very much.